Desserts are always a fitting end to a meal, but they can be such a nightmare on what to create. When in doubt, always create my biscuit cake because everybody loves it and it gets done in 15 minutes flat. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. Simplifying this process further, 200 grams of dark chocolate, and always use dark chocolate, into a bowl, goes into the microwave at a 1-minute burst so that it just melts, and in the meantime let's get to mixing up the egg emulsion. Into a bowl goes in 2 whole eggs. We're just going to whip it up along with 200 grams of superfine sugar or castor sugar. Just mix it up well together, and into that goes in nearly 225 grams of melted yellow salted butter, and always use salted butter because it intensifies the dark chocolate flavor. Just mix this entire thing up perfectly well. Well melted, we're just going to smoothen it out and allow it to temper really well. The chocolate is nice and hot, well tempered. Now into this you just pour that entire egg, sugar and butter emulsion and mix the two together. The egg actually cooks with the heat of the chocolate. Mix the whole thing well together. Ensure there are no lumps because you want it to have the smoothest of emulsions. As you see the sheen intensifying with this chocolate emulsion, it's time to just take 220 grams of digestive biscuits or Marie biscuits, pour the entire thing in and just allow everything to mix well together. At this stage you can add any flavoring. So out here I'm just doing a rum and raisin version of the same and a splash of some dark rum, nearly 20 to 30 mils. You can add some toasted nuts, you can add some toasted dry fruit, you can add whatever suits you fine. A spring foam mold which is greased and has got some lining all round. We're just going to put it in, and this goes into the refrigerator to set. Smoothen it down so that it is a nice flattened creation, and this chills in the refrigerator for a good 3 hours. You need it to chill for 3 hours so that you get a perfect tea time creation. ,200 grams of tempered chocolate just nestles right on top. Smoothening the chocolate and rather tempering it till it gets that gorgeous sheen is required. You need it to be near room temperature so that it sets right atop that cake. Dribble all that gorgeous melted chocolate right on top. Allow it to get into all the nooks and crevices and slightly slide all around. Garnishing this requires anything that you have lying with you, so some little hard biscuits, some marshmallows, just to make this shine through and look like such a pretty tea time wonder. A biscuit cake is truly a shortcut version for a stylish dessert that doesn't really require too much of fanfare. You can play around with the fillings, either go coconut or go some nuts or just do rum and raisin like how I've done. This is the versatility that comes together. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.